There you are. I'm so glad you could join me. I really want to make you a cocktail. My name is Spencer Watts, and this is Cottage Cocktails. This is a perfect time of day because I call this one the after dinner, and it's really simple if you don't want to make a dessert. So a nice shot of aged rum, which is really delicious, and then some creme de cacao, which tastes like a chocolate bar, which is so good. And then to lighten up all of that beautiful rumminess and chocolatiness, a splash, I know this is gonna sound crazy, of coconut milk. Coconut, rum, chocolate, after dinner, it's perfect to sip on. Give it a shake, and it's as easy as that. And then just to finish it, a wafer cookie and some fresh grated nutmeg. That, my friends, is the after dinner.